Good Friday evening. I'm not quite as tired as I was last time I saw you. Okay, now that I'm thinking of the yawning that I was doing then, I'm not doing that again. And not earlier today. The last evening shot. Yes, so it's Friday evening and I went to the mall. I went to lots of places. Okay, I went to the bank to talk to my banker person. It was very disheartening. She was very realistic. So, I found out stuff. Then I went to the grocery store and did all my shopping. That took a while. And then I went to the mall and did my lottery purchasing and walked around the mall. And then I went home. Came home. And I've been puttering off and on ever since. I put away the laundry that was there from last night. I didn't cook supper, not much. When I was at the mall, I got some New York fries, medium, so that was plenty of, potatoes. Walked around the mall eating my potatoes. Then I came home and had a cooked carrot, microwaved carrot, and I had some yogurt. It's true, I should have had some nuts. Whatever. Put my stuff away in the refrigerator and watch TV for the rest of the night. Mainly Big Bang Theory, because there's not much on. Friday night is not a good... Oh, my body just remembered that I said yawn before. Really? Yeah, I've just made myself yawn. I have just been checking the weather forecast. It was wonderful today in terms of, when I was driving around, there was no trouble. But tomorrow, it's supposed to be, this weekend is supposed to be freezing rain. And I'm supposed to go to the hockey games. Now, part of the Weather Network seems to be down, as does the Weather Underground. But the Government of Canada weather is working. However, that's not the weather I want to see, so I'm going to look for the Weather Underground again. I like their minute by minute. Oh yeah, okay, they weren't down. Right. I want to see the hourly. Yes, that's what I want to see. Okay. Come on, no advertising. Yes. Thank you. Can we have the next hourly forecast, please? Since I'm not watching the ad anymore, okay. Where's the up-down thing? Was that the weather? No, this is the Weather Underground. How about tomorrow? Windy with periods of freezing rain expected. High 37 Fahrenheit. Like, I want 37 Fahrenheit. I want Celsius. winds, and chance, 100% chance of precipitation. But I want to know when. 10-day? Oh, there we go. Friday, Saturday. Okay, so we have Friday. There's my Zoom. I'm seeing a graph that shows me hour by hour, minute by minute, actually. Hour by hour. Shows it in chance of precipitation. Yeah, that's blue. Okay, so Friday late, and then we're going to freezing rain. Well, I don't know if it's wise to be heading out. Okay, so we got freezing rain down. Temperature goes down. That's the freezing rain. Yeah, 10. Okay, so the first game is at 12:15. Okay, that's not too bad. What am I at? I'm at 10 a.m., 11 a.m. 12. Yeah, that's good. Well, we'll see. We'll see. Not impressed. Okay, environment can't now the webinar. Again, let's try that. I don't want that blue screen. Why are you giving me the blue screen? Weather Network, what is wrong? Ah, we've got something. That's not much. 4 degrees. That's all you can give me? Okay, so the Weather Network, Environment Canada, Weather Underground. Let's try Environment Canada. Saturday, 1. Saturday, rain changing to freezing rain in the morning, then to ice pellets or freezing rain in the afternoon. Yeah. Oops, sorry. Not looking good. I told my daughter's friend that I'd be there. He said, Monica, you coming? I said, yes, I'll be there. Well, whatever. Their game is at 10:30 tonight, so it starts shortly. Really, I'm sorry. I suggested myself into yawning. Disgusting. No more Bones on. I love Bones. I watched 2 in a row. Then I wanted to watch Madam Secretary, but oh no, Madam Secretary does not happen to be on for some reason or other. So I switched over to The Big Bang Theory, because that's my favorite show at the moment. I guess it's the end of new shows and old shows are petering out. But when there used to be, what did I used to? No. What did we used to watch? With Tom Selleck. I know you'll get this, Liz. You always get these things. I always forget. Ma, ma. We always used to watch it's Friday night. I can't remember a thing. Always used to watch that little old lady the mystery. Yeah, mystery. That mystery show with the little old lady. Like in Maine, right? She was in Maine. British woman? No. She was just American. Yeah. That's not the one with Tom Selleck, though. It's not the one I was thinking of. We watched the ones where he was supposed to take care of a rich guy's house, and I keep on thinking Maverick, but that's not it. It's not it. And where is your collar? Aggie lost her collar. And I've looked up. It's probably under the bed. I should look there. Yeah. She lost her collar. Anyway, yeah. A detective show. All of which I cannot remember the names of. Not the little old lady one, and not the Tom Selleck one. So anyway, kids, no. It's only my daughter who is playing hockey, and her husband is playing hockey. And they're playing hockey in 5 minutes, but I'm not there because I'm falling asleep here. I have my week's pages set up, dates in place. 1, 2. Let's go down to the actual from the 16th to the 20th, and the 16th to the 20th. Yes, indeed. So those are all set and ready to go. I just have to start working on them, which is just unrealistic right now. Yeah, well, it worked last week, didn't it? But I'm not doing anything now. I've done my little bit. I went shopping. That's out of the way. So when I get up tomorrow morning, I'll be able to start working. Okay, that's 14 minutes that I've been talking about nothing. Work went well today. There were absolutely no students. All we did was check binders. And I actually got that done fairly quickly and started marking papers. So that was good. I promoted 3 people. That was good. So there you go. Lots of work done. With such an easy day. Oh, we all were looking at it and going, wouldn't it be nice if we're always like this? Yeah. No students. No people. It would. Yes, I am not a natural teacher. No. It's just something I have fallen back on and I'm stuck with, which is, it's a pretty good job. Not as good as, public, but all right. What's happening out there? Fog rolling in? It does look like there's a fog rolling in. See, that's what happens when my security cam notices something in the driveway. But there's nothing. Well, last week there was a raccoon. The raccoon that lives in the shed, which I told the banker lady about.